Hey y'all, it's your girl Nyla. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm starting off by creating my middle part to make 2 sections, and I will keep parting down each section until I have 8 parts in total. I did not realize I was still in time lapse when I was recording this clip, so I tried to slow it down for you, but I'll explain better once I get to the other side of my head.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody's home next up. Be them if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you it's special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Baby, slow phone, come just listen. Gone.
Okay, so now that I am on the other side of my head, I'm just going ahead and taking down my pre-parted sections, combing them out, make sure they're all detangled, and just going in with some Shine and Jam on the part to define the part.
2 lanes and a thing so fly, baby, no propane. Got good, girl, can I be framed? Keep it 100, girl, I ain't no saint. But he the only reason that I'm feeling this way. Giving you the word, baby, when you get space, pen gang, give me lay, baby, that's penetrate. Oh, baby.
And here I'm just sectioning out my sideburns because I kind of wanted dramatic edges, so I took a little bit more hair out just so that I can have that dramatic sideburn baby hair look. And now I'm going to start the braid. As you saw, I sectioned out the front piece, put a line down the middle of the back pieces, and began my braid. I tried to do stitch braids, but I don't really think that worked. There weren't very many stitches in the braid, so I'm just going to call these feed-in braids. But that's why you kind of see me using my pinky or trying to. But I'm just doing a regular braid back and adding hair when I feel that I needed to. I tended to add more hair to the side pieces closer to my ear because I have less hair closer to my ear, and as I got closer to the top of my head, I have more hair. My hair is thicker, so I didn't really add pieces of braiding hair. So I just braided my hair down, and then once I got to the end, I added a small piece of braiding hair just to give it length.
Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else does me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So like I said, I did not add braiding hair at the top braids because my hair is thicker at the top of my head versus the braids closest to my ear. But I did add braiding hair once I got to the nape of my neck, just for length for the bun. Now that I have completed the braids, we're going to go ahead and put it in a ponytail. And then once I put it in the ponytail, I will also braid each braid all the way down just so that I have a finished look. And then we're going to start wrapping the ponytail into a bun. So I start by twisting the whole section and wrapping it around itself.
I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe your love is mine.
I continue to twist and tuck until I get all the way to the ends. And I did not use any bobby pins or rubber bands for the bun. I just tucked the ends underneath itself and it stayed.
It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
I used my toothbrush, my edge brush, whatever you want to call it, to brush out the little baby hairs in the back so that it wasn't tugging on my hair and causing tension. And this is the final look. And now we're going to go ahead and do the baby hairs in the front. You guys can do your baby hairs, edges, however you feel, whatever you feeling like, however you like to do them. But I did mine like this. Like I said, I wanted kind of a more dramatic look, so they were kind of bigger than I normally do. So this is what they look like.